He enjoys to speak foreign languages. He enjoys speaking foreign languages. Enjoy doing something is the correct usage. The fire caused a lot of damages. The fire caused a lot of damage.
The word damages has different meaning. He was ordered to pay damage to the family members. He was ordered to pay damages to the family members.
The word damages means money. So damages is correct here.
All stationery items are available here. All stationery items are available here. The word stationery means writing materials like pen, pencils, etc. The car collided with the stationary bike. The car collided with the stationary bike. The word stationary means not moving.